Good morning, everyone. It's wonderful to be here at Conference 42 MLOps. My name is Sheela Kakanur Shivayogi, and I am Systems QA engineer with 18 plus years of experience in the information technology and software development industries. Over the years, I have seen how machine learning and automations have transformed industries like healthcare, the finance, manufacturing. But there is one area that often goes unnoticed, the place where we all live, our residential communities. Welcome to today's presentation on revolutionizing the community living through artificial intelligence. How AI can transform the fragmented community into connected, thriving ecosystems. As someone with extensive experience in technology integration and living in community, I'll share my challenges, the hidden costs, and most importantly, how an AI driven solution can empower the residents, the managers, and the community as a whole. And just to be clear, what I'm going to present today is part of my vision. The goal is to spark the ideas about what's possible. The challenges of disconnected community living. Let me start with the familiar scenarios. How many of us have missed the last day of school registration because the reminder was buried in the WhatsApp messages? Or maybe we have wished our kids could meet other children nearby instead of spending hours in front of the screen. Or perhaps you have hired a service provider only to regret the decision after hours of searching and endless back and forth. This is the reality of residential community living today. In fact, the study shows that about 23% of the US population, that's 77 million people, who live in some of the form of the community association, like HOAs, condos, and housing cooperatives. And more than 80% of new homes sold in 2023 were part of these communities. Yet, the experience of living in them is often fragmented. Communication is scattered all over. Service coordination is slow and manual, and residents lack the visibility into the resources that could improve their daily lives. In short, people are living side by side, but not really living together. What's the true cost of the fragmentation? First, it's time drain. In today's world, time is everything. The importance of timing and the feeling of constant pressure, residents waste hours of navigating multiple apps, threads, and follow ups. Secondly, it erodes the trust and satisfaction. When processes are inefficient, the communication becomes poor and residents begin to feel isolated and frustrated. The next one is the valuable community assets. Clubhouses, greenhouse, green space, even events remain underutilized. People simply don't have time to go there or don't know how to use them. And finally, the property managers are stuck in endless manual workflows, preventing them from building the connected communities. This combination quite eats away an engagement, the satisfaction, and yes, even the property value. So, going to the next slide, introducing what the AI powered single pane of glass. This is where the AI can help. Imagine a single unified dashboard that consolidates all essential residential services, the information, the communication into one simple view. Interface that consolidates data and management tools from various systems and sources into single centralized view and streamlines the operation through intelligent AI automation. Now, add the personalization. AI that knows you are a parent with a 7-year old, so it shows you school updates only, like the kid activities, the tutoring opportunities, instead of irrelevant noise. And behind the scene, the automation reduces the overhead. No more chasing down the managers or shifting through the clutters. This is what all called AI powered, I call the AI powered the single pane of glass solution, a platform that is resident first and manager friendly and designated to make the communities more connected. So, going to the next slide, how these service providers can help. The education is one part of the life. Let's start with education, a bigger priority for families. The platform aggregates school reviews from multiple trusted sources and gives parents a clear, comprehensive view. It tailors the recommendation to your child's age. If you have elementary school, you only see the content relevant to ages 5 through 11. It can also suggest extracurricular opportunities from math tutors to football coaches. For high schooler, it can only feed in about the academic clubs such as debate, math, science, coding, and leadership, depending on the family needs and interests. The beauty is that the system learns over the time. If families engage with certain recommendations, the model continuously refines results, creating the virtuous cycles of optimization. The education is one part of the life. What about the daily services that keep our homes running? The platform builds a trusted service provider ecosystem. It connects you with the AI vetted plumbers, electricians, or handyman, complete with ratings, the prices, the real time availability. It automates the scheduling for property and upkeep like lawn care, snow removal, or pest control, and even adds smart, sensational recommendations. It goes further, recommending financial services like mortgage refinancing or home insurance options, as well as healthcare referrals with the fast appointment bookings. It's not just convenience, it's a peace of mind, knowing you are making a reliable, cost effective choices. So the advanced AI capabilities. Now let's peek under the hood. The platform leverages the predictive analytics to anticipate the residents' needs. For instance, if families usually request maintenance right after the first snowfall, the system can prepare resources in advance. Natural language processing powers chatbots that allow residents to interact naturally, so no technical learning curve needed. And the computer vision helps with facility monitoring, automatically generating maintenance tickets when issues are detected. All of this works together to create a deeply personalized yet seamless experience. Enhancing the community engagement also comes with the connectivity and the engagement. Of course, the real power of the community is people. This platform enhances connectivity and engagement. It enables seamless facility reservations, reducing booking conflicts. It matches the rental opportunities with a high success rate. It even coordinates playdates for families with children of similar ages. There are so built in support for youth voluntary programs, encouraging participation and giving young residents way to contribute their community. As a result, a virtuous cycle, a stronger connection that lead to more engagement, and more engagement drives the greater adoption on the platform. Go to the next slide. It's the real-time housing market insights. The another benefit is the financial empowerment. The platform is provides the real-time property valuations insights that typically reserved for real estate professionals. It shows how the neighborhood improvements directly impact your home's values. It suggests the property upgrades with the predictive ROI and also lets you benchmark the comparable sales. Inform the data driven decisions help residents grow personal wealth and also promote the community stability. So, how the future development roadmap looks like? So, where does this go from here? In the near term, we see enhancements like predictive maintenance for shared areas, more personalized services, and better social connectivity features. Looking further ahead, the long term vision includes the autonomous community vehicle management, imagine shared self driving shutters for residents. Why not? The system used to operate, monitor, and maintain autonomous vehicles for the community use. It has a potential to provide a safer, more efficient, and more equitable transportation option for residents, which in turn reduces the traffics and emissions. So these are the lot of options we can come up with this AI solutions. The another option is integrational engagement programs, connecting toddlers, youth, the seniors in the meaningful ways to build the mutually beneficial relationships and as well as the foster community cohesions. And the cross community networks that link different neighborhoods to solve the shared challenges and the opportunities. So AI is not static, it continuously evolves, incorporates new data and new technologies to keep improving the residents' experience. So, going to the next slide, transforming communities together. Let's bring it back to impact. AI driven communities offer the enhanced living experience with convenience and quality or life at the forefront. The success starts at the community level by valuing the local expertise and putting decisions making power in hands of the residents, and also can make quicker and wiser decisions. The property value growth as connected, engaged neighborhood becomes more desirable. Operational excellence, this reduces the cost, improving service quality. The true community transformation ensures that all these voices are heard and benefits the change to reach every individual and a sustainable future with smarter use of resources for greener communities. The real transformation happens when residents feel empowered, when local expertise are valued, and when decision making power is shared. So, to wrap up, the story of AI is residential communities isn't about technology for its own sake, it's about people. It's about building the places where neighbors are connected, empowered, resources are visible, decisions are smarter. The future of the community is living is unified, intelligent, and inclusive. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share the vision with you all today. Thank you.